Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to join a group on Facebook. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. As you can see, here is total 2 group I have opened in my browser. Open a group, then click on about. Then you will see public. If this group is public and visible, anyone can find this group. Then you can directly join this group without anyone knowing by clicking on this join group. Here we can see I joined this group without knowing anyone. Make sure the group is public and visibility is anyone can find this group. And if I go to my another group, here is I am in this review section, and here we can see this group is private. If the group privacy is set as private, then if we click on this join group, and here we can see a request has been sent to this group owner. So if you're trying to join a group whose group privacy is private, you cannot join this directly without annoying anyone. And if you are in a public group, then you don't have to need any permission to join public group. Simply click on join and you will be joined the group. That should be followed. So this is the way how you can join a Facebook group without anyone knowing. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.